Muay?
Padala ka kanong isulat kung kag-abot mo to.
Passengers of Philippine Airlines flight PR2140 bound for Manila, kindly board aircraft not gate number 6. Good morning. For the information of all passengers of Philippine Airlines, flight PR2381 bound for Hotan, Cebu, please be advised that the aircraft that will be used for your flight is estimated to arrive in Iloilo at 6:15 this morning. Once again, for the information of all passengers of Philippine Airlines, flight PR2381 bound from Hotan, Cebu, please be advised that the aircraft that will be used for your flight is estimated to arrive in Iloilo at 6:15 this morning. Meanwhile, requesting all passengers on this flight to please stay inside the departure area and wait for your flight for the announcement. Thank you. Good morning. Scoot announces the arrival flight PR372 from Singapore. Once again, Scoot announces the arrival flight PR372 from Singapore. To all Scoot passengers on flight PR373 bound for Singapore, we would like to inform you that your assigned aircraft has just arrived. Kindly proceed now to the pre-departure area and stand by in front of gate number 3. Please remain seated and wait for your flight's morning announcement. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Scoot and Singapore Airlines Connecticut flight PR373 and SUA335 to Singapore.
Mr. Rosario Boron, Mr. Rosario Boron, for Mr. Elvi Lozano, Mr. Elvi Lozano, Ms. Nelia Lozano, for Mr. Richard Sandoval, Mr. Richard Sandoval, for Ms. Pascumin Sakanda, Ms. Pascumin Sakanda, and we will aircraft now for gate number 5. I repeat, gate number 5. 마우스 지켜주겠습니다.
Padala ko ni konta mo. Opo nga. Kanina pa tayo nakatayo.